A typical day of Chinese family: home tour, daily life, and expenses. For those who are new to my channel, hi, I'm Mike, a Cameroonian married to a Chinese wife. Today, I'm taking you to a home tour, how we live, daily expenses, and an insight to living with a Chinese family as a foreigner. This machine, it's a public machine which you can print a document on it and just receive it here. One thing I like about this garden is how quiet and peaceful it is always. There's a playground for kids. Here is a public trash can. The person who takes care of trash can works, so they kind of dump a lot of trash here in this. There are a lot of workers. They are always taking care of some things, renovating the plants, planting some new flowers. Here is like the center of the community where you can take your kids to that spot over there and just walk around, do some exercises. Here is the community playground. Each morning there'll be kids here and grandparents doing some exercises and just leisure time. I can already see my wife's parents playing the table tennis. 你们什么时候下来的？刚下来吗？哦。哈，今天人不多，在外面。哦，可以。哦，还是可以的嘛。哇哦，我以为老妈还不会打。嗯，打得还可以，而且打得很准。哦，技术还可以。哦，可以。好，你们继续打吧，我先上去了。好吗？我先上去哈。Table tennis is most usual sport here in China. Everyone can play that. This residential area has a total of about 9,600 residents. There are about 2,040 households. Just 10 buildings. Total number of floors here are 28 floors. The buildings are gated. You can only gain access with your card, face unlock, or you can just shake your phone and it will open automatically. And as you go in. It is typical for Chinese families to always have a shoe cabinet outside the door. And for security reasons, most apartments now use face recognition. The first thing we do when we get home is to change to indoor shoes. Because we have a large apartment, so we also have another shoe cabinet just at the entrance, where we keep a lot of baby's medicine and also some snacks. We keep a lot of books here. My wife usually reads Chinese books and also some books for my baby. She's learning English and Chinese at the same time. Is this your book? Is baby's book? Oh, here. My baby's having her breakfast. My wife's makeup things, she keeps them here because we do not have much use for this desk over here. Necklaces, she just keeps them here. And with a mirror, this is a woman's thing. I never understand it. Some of the gift I bought for her, she keeps the package because it looks beautiful. This is where we store my baby's toys. She has painted the walls to different colors. I'm definitely gonna get into trouble with the house owner. My wife bought this. It helps her to do some exercises in the mornings. This is what the entire living room looks like. It's quite wide Getting to the balcony, you see there is a lot of space here, so you do not have to feel tight, especially there is a lot of air coming in. This apartment comprises of 170 meter squares. It has 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. There's a balcony, a kitchen. It is a good price because we rent here for 2,700 yuan. That is roughly about $385. We live in Chengdu. It's a modern city, but the cost of living is quite low.
衣服洗好啦，我们来晒一下，晾一下。可以晾你的衣服吗？哎呦，哎呦，哎呦，哎呦！来钓你的裤裤，下面的裤裤。钓鱼 fishing。什么？这是什么？这是鱼，丫丫是的。我的宝贝可勇敢，可以自己吃丫丫。
现在就好了。拿像之前吃药就太麻烦，现在能自己吃已经完美了。
我的宝贝长大，勇敢，自己很勇敢啊。
他不觉得苦哈？
这个原本它就是带一点甜味。
他们的药一般都是甜的。Still a little bit.
这个是帮助它去消化它胃里面的食物的。
These things, my mother-in-law sells them, and she collects some money out of them, which they usually recycle. Boxes, we never throw away any boxes. She wants them. Hello. 会不会可以在那边？
这是个白人的车子，他给你推着走。
哦，他是这样喷水啊？
他这样子就可以洗洗手啊什么的。对，
他自己
按着洗洗手，他知道。哎呀，妈妈是他带过来的。大家一起。
No.
那不然就完了，不然完了，走了走了。
No, baby. Let's go. Usually, my wife's mom takes the baby down here to the playground. There is a huge playground here, which they can play, do a lot of exercises in the morning. A seesaw, there's a playhouse.
姐姐同意玩了吗？姐姐的，你看，姐姐没同意就不能玩，知道吧？姐姐的不可以啊。
你自己看，自己可以。
啊，你想推啊？
开的飞机。
不愿意，不愿意，姐姐不愿意，姐姐。
Our daughter is born in a multicultural background and she has to learn different languages. We always choose to bring her to meet different kids so she learns how to interact with people of different backgrounds.
录像是吧？
哎，对。
小宝贝儿，他说的清楚好不好？
说的来一点。
小婆婆，小婆婆，
我这不好安，我自然见。
婆婆你好。
自然见的。
婆婆。
她有一点不好意思。
你要叫他大声点啊！今天在下耍就行了。
是的。
啊，说中国话说得好啊。
谢谢夸。那个阿姨还是有想法的。你听她说，让她那个大方一点，平时多出来。
对。 就是要锻炼，多跟其他人接触。
是有想法的话，可以知道这个道理。
吃吃。
老子一直能。
每次我这样子做的时候，切西都说轻轻的。你都已经有了。
后来已经2个卫生间的。
哦，卫生间我这里有了，我已经洗了。直接这样。如果说是喝的水，直接按这个，它就过滤了。这里它也有烧的水，100度、85度、65、45度。
Tap water in China is never drinkable. We had to buy this purifier online for about $60. It makes our water more clean, healthier, and ready to drink. It gives us both hot and cold water.
家用来说，这个也够了。可以了，可以转起，我等下不能转过来再一点。
差不多了哈。我就开始打这个饭。
对，行了。
我都用完哈。我自己用盘子，全用完。老爸他们去多少？老妈他们去多少饭？
我1点。
1点够了吧？
够了。
饭哈啊！
爸，吃饭喽。哦，吃饭了，妈，坐吧，吃饭了。So my wife has made some delicious fish. 酸菜鱼。
不会，鱼有点寒不？因为我调料蔬菜应该味道要淡一点。这是谁 ？Baby, yes, baby.